In highly automated SMT intelligent manufacturing environment, material inventory has become a key bottleneck that restricts production efficiency. Under the high mixed line (8-bit production mode), on average, each shift needs to handle more than 1,000 trays. The efficiency of manual material feeding lags behind the demand of the production line. To solve this problem, many enterprises have brought in Seamark XC1000 Xray offline automatic counting machine. The equipment supports 4 trace material synchronous detection. The AI intelligent algorithm achieves ultra-high counting accuracy. Efficiency increased by 4 times. Labor costs reduced by 70%. The product is compatible with 7 to 15-inch trays. Built-in database of 120,000 global materials, and update weekly. Standard high-precision code scanner can recognize 0.131 dimensional code or 0.25 mm QR code. New employees can operate skillfully in 15 minutes. At the same time, it is seamlessly connected to MES system, ERP system, reduce human error, help customers reduce the error rate of material. It is the key tool for intelligent manufacturing upgrading of enterprises.